Airport vocabulary and phrases. Introduction. When you go to the airport, there are some special words and phrases that you need to know. This will help you understand what people are saying and make sure you get where you need to go. Let's learn some important airport vocabulary and phrases together. Check-in. When you first arrive at the airport, you need to check in. This means you go to the counter of your airline and tell them you are there. They will give you a boarding pass, which is a ticket that lets you get on the plane. Where is the check-in counter for Delta Airlines? Check-in counter boarding pass. Security. After you check in, you will go through security. This is where you show your ID and boarding pass. You will also need to put your bags and any metal items through a scanner. Do I need to take off my shoes for security? Security checkpoint scanner. Gate. Once you are through security, you will look for your gate. The gate is the place where you will wait until it's time to get on the plane. Which gate is my flight leaving from? Gate departure boarding. When it's time to get on the plane, the staff will start boarding. They will call groups of people to get on the plane in an orderly way. What time does boarding begin? Boarding group. Baggage claim. After your flight lands and you get off the plane, you will go to baggage claim to pick up your checked bags. Where is baggage claim for flight 102? Baggage claim checked bags. Customs. If you are coming from another country, you will need to go through customs. This is where officials check to make sure you are following the rules about what you can bring into the country. Do I need to declare any items at customs? Customs. Declare. Conclusion. Knowing these words and phrases will help you have a smooth and easy experience at the airport. Remember to listen carefully to announcements and ask for help if you need it. Happy travels!